Alright, well, here's my 239 that I've been using for about 5 months. Well, I don't use it much anymore thanks to my new tachyon I got for Christmas, but this Bali has, well, it's my first. It's worked well, and yeah, recently, well, not exactly recently, probably like a week before Christmas, it suffered a battle wound. Now here, I'm going to show you exactly what it is as soon as I can find some. Ah, screw it. I'm just gonna wind up. Actually, yeah. So let's see here. So yeah, you may have noticed that there's a bunch of electric tape along it. Well, you're going to see why as soon as I get this last bit off. Now, now then, you're probably wondering, whoa, it looks fine. What do you mean? Well, yeah, not so fine. And up here, you see that crack? Focus a bit. Yeah. So basically, that crack happened there, and obviously that happened. Now, this end is probably almost about to break as well. Now, the thing is, oh god, yeah, the the whole system is screwed up thanks to this little guy. Now, the thing is, it's also happening to this handle, but slowly. That side and that side. So, yeah, the 239 is busted and is going to be sent to Benchmade hopefully soon. Yeah, it shouldn't be doing that. It shouldn't. Yeah. So that electric tape has just been holding it together. It I mean, it works. It works to hold it together. Keeps it flippable, but well, it's still broken, still busted, and still needs to be sent in. So yeah, hopefully with Life Sharp or whatever that service is called, I can get this fixed. I can get the handles fixed up and the blade. Hopefully I can get a nice new refurbished blade. Yeah, obviously not very sharp. I mean, sharp enough to cut if you want it to, but yeah. Yeah. Not very sharp. Not anymore, at least. So, yeah. Yeah. Got all that play. Got well, it's had its days, and hopefully soon enough it'll have more. This has been Moonbay, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.